we have to solve this expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. Now 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Now let's rewrite the expression. 36 divided by 3 divided by 2, and we have one multiplication here and 3. So as we know, multiplication and division are equally important, and in this expression we have to solve from left to right. Now 36 divided by 3 gives us 12, and 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. And now 6 times 3 gives us 18. The final answer is 18. Thank you for watching.